Got my second bottle of Produxa in. I was so pleased with the first bottle, I had to get another one. This stuff truly works. I was using spray-on wax. It always fade away, but not with this stuff. I ran it through the car wash. Just had to wipe it down. Look at that gloss, still on it. Still on it. The shine is amazing. Shining like a star. My paint is 8 years old. The truck looks like it's ready to go back on the showroom floor. That's how amazing this stuff is. If you haven't gotten your bottle, get your bottle. Produxa.com. You could get it online. You could get all over Facebook. Like I say, I was leery about it, but I'm not leery anymore. This stuff is truly amazing. I have my neighbors asking me, what am I using on my truck? I had to show them. They couldn't believe the shine. I couldn't believe it as well. I'm a sold customer. I'm a forever customer. Like I said, if you haven't gotten your bottle, get your bottle. This stuff is truly amazing.